My chiropractor already has the table set up. I'm not part of the USA group because I haven't been working with those guys. I need to work with somebody who I'm familiar with. Get there. Dr. Pascal was my chiropractor who I took around with me around the world. He had the set up just like this. Take my stuff off and I just sit there and just lay on the bed for 15 minutes. Just get into my zone. Just really get into my zone. The timer would go off, and I would get up, do my jog, do my warm up, go back on the table. Dr. Pascal would adjust me. I would let him know how I felt. He said, okay, go out and move around, let me know how you feel. Now, when I say how I felt, it was like, at this point, it's not, oh, I feel good. It's, you see this arm may go here, and then my other arm doesn't go there. I need you to fix that, doc. I need you to figure out what's going on, because I need everything to flow like I need it to. So I'm warming up, I'm feeling good. I mean, the pathway from my brain down is just connecting, everything's firing. I don't feel like I have any like glitches, like in my stride or anything.